Okay guys, here's something I don't usually do. I am going to show you how the mechanics work behind the scenes, because I get a lot of people asking, how I build the hardware, what it looks like. It's always covered up so you never see it. And so just sort of a, for fun, I'll show you how it works. So here is the, let's see if I can film it properly. The drawers on this part of the table, and obviously the insides of the tables are never that pretty, so this is all going to drop sort of down into a table like an engine going into a car. It's not pretty yet. The outside's going to be the pretty part. And here we go. So first off, this key is going to be hidden somewhere else on the table, and it's going to be cut off right about here, and there's going to be a little carved head or something. I'm not quite sure what it's going to look like, but that'll come, and there'll be a faceplate of wood right here, so you won't be able to see any of this stuff. And it'll be inside of a panel, so you won't even know that there's anything there. It's going to have sort of a hidden keyhole. Take that, put it in there. It locks in, that locks it in actually, and that pulls out to right about there. And then if you turn it, that makes it so it'll come out further. And the way that works, I'll show you how that works under here. See that? And it goes in and locks on the little hook in there. And so that comes over here. And then push that back in there. And if you turn it this way, it'll grab the top drawer. So that'll open. Obviously there's going to be something hidden behind here. There's going to be hidden something on this shelf as well. And then, because that drawer only comes out to there, so there's going to be a box that pops out of there in that space. But yeah, that's sort of how it works. That faceplate right here is going to push that drawer in when it goes back in. So, oop, that wasn't supposed to come out. Yeah. And then to get this key out, there is a knob right here, and that releases it. So you lift that up, and then it will make it so that key can pull out, so that you could leave the drawer knob there if you didn't want to make it difficult to get into. So anyways, pretty exciting. That's the mechanics. So it's hard to do one-handed. Cannot imagine being a one-handed person. That would be so tough. Anyways, that's all I know.